I'm Tom Guttenberger, founder of Metacoder, the future of optimized code-free machine learning. Data science and machine learning are large and growing markets and require personnel skilled in coding. For example, a genomic data scientist might start with a big data query run on Hadoop and merge that data with a private data set, and then inspect and repair the records, then code in R or Python, deploying and testing customized models, and finally displaying and communicating those results to their team. With Metacoder, you can do all this without coding. Further, we can package the platform as an intranet application and run everything on top of customized 8-bit hardware to eventually stand out as the clear-cut leader in speed and security. Operating as Wazoo Mobile Technologies, I've been a software entrepreneur in good standing since 2016. Now, Metacoder is a live MVP with hundreds of data science, AI, and code generation methods available. We've made our first retail sales, and now we want to pivot to enterprise, where our guided approach to data modeling will be well suited for drug discovery, sales forecast, customer segmenting, fintech applications, among many others. Up a large customer segment of genomic data scientists who, when surveyed, have not used no-code tools before, combine public and private data sets, and cannot use cloud services due to compliance issues. Another huge differentiator will be our customized 8-bit dynamic normalized decimal encoded hardware. We estimate this will yield double-digit speed up and power consumption advantages, which will allow for practical deep learning models to be connected at a lower cost than currently used GPUs. The team is comprised of software and machine learning experts. Myself, I'm a statistician and a programmer for the company. Sagar and Pankaj are our two other primary developers. Professor Gagik has been contracted to help develop our hardware, and Professor Gom is an advisor to the company. The other people listed here have been collaborators on SBIR proposals submitted over the past year. We will license or install our platform targeting medium-sized businesses, and we expect annual fees in the 5-figure range depending on the number of user licenses and scope. We're seeking a $400,000 convertible note in order to build a dedicated sales team and to complete our next tech milestones, including the chip integration. With that, I'll be happy to take any questions.
Thank you, Thomas. Now we have 2 minutes for Q&A.
The hardware component is a little unusual. Could you comment on what that will do? And it's 8-bit?
Yeah, so when we were researching the hardware that we wanted to run some of these deep learning models, including graph neural nets on, we came to the conclusion basically that you can, or some research had indicated that you can encode the numbers with a smaller representation and have big speed up and time savings. So because like so many models are based on like convergent gradient descent methods, you're able to use a lot lower precision actually than what's currently in use and still get the same results. So that's where we actually contacted the academic who had developed this theory, and he said that there was nothing currently available to run this sort of number encoding, and that's where we think there's going to be a big opportunity. Yes. Are there other questions? Does that answer your question? Sorry.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, that was good. Thank you very much.
Sure.
Any other questions? We have 30 seconds.
Speechless.
Okay, if not, thank you so much, Metacoder, for your presentation.
All right, thank you.
That's great.